this is an area where this is dedicated just for the storeroom. So here the configuration of this room is that we have an additional washroom. There was a small washroom for the house help, but instead of that, what we have done is because in the morning rush hour there are two bathrooms, so they were wanting an additional bathroom for the family just to cope up with the requirement. So this is a very small cozy washroom. So here the arrangement is that I have a sensor based light over here, and it's just small WC. Then you are seeing a very small wash basin over here, and then we also have an arrangement for the bath. So I understand that this is not a comfortable one, but yes, when you're having too much of rush, so this is how we can still manage the requirement. So this is a very cozy washroom what we have. Moving forward, if you want to understand more about the washroom, then all the fittings are bipolar. Each and everything, whatever you see here in the entire flat is bipolar. The tiles are by Kajaria and also Moto. Here it's a combination of Kajaria. The floor is by Kajaria, the wall is by Moto. The electrical fixtures are by Philips. These are the motion lights what we have used. For the door, I have gone for PVC laminate. So the laminate what I've used is PVC, and again antique finish handles with a triple locking. The lock, as for all the washrooms, what I normally prefer is the coin lock. So in case of emergency, if somebody is caught up inside and it's not getting open, so with the help of any coin, with the help of any spoon or anything as such, you can just unlock it. Now we are entering the master bedroom bathroom. So this is the master bathroom, and for the door outside, I have used laminate by Royal Touch, and I've just provided few grooves to match the entire theme. And here we are in the washroom now. So for the door, again, the rear side of the door, what you see is again the PVC laminate. Client had a requirement of extra wood, so that is how we have this in place. But every side requirements are different, client choices are different, and preferences are different. So that is how every side we try to balance what our clients are actually wanting. Then here we have gone for the G7 countertop because this was going well with the theme, and also we had this in the stock. So for the counter I used G7. Again, this is by Kohler. The plumbing fixtures are by Kohler. Because for this bathroom, the theme, as you all are aware, I don't use highlighters. I prefer making it on site. So the tile what we have selected was by Moto, and the size of the tile was 32 by 64, which you are seeing here. On my right side, this is the tile size. So the same, I wanted a monotone feel for this bathroom. So the same tile, I have made it in this shape. So every piece was cut, waterjet cutting, and then it was installed, as per the theme. So the theme was a rhombus shape which I wanted here, and that is how the mirror here, what you see, is also rhombus. And again, this is by sensor light. So there are three light mode here: neutral, and warm white, neutral, and white. So these are the three effects. Switches here again are by Norris's. And for the floor, I have used darker grey because that was going well. They didn't want it black, and even I didn't want it black because if you see the veins here are a little bit of brown, so that was getting a good balance with the grey. So for the floor, I have used grey. As mentioned, fittings are by Kohler, and then there are provision of this two mesh just to add on the charm, and also the decor. It becomes functionally also, it becomes very easier rather than having a lot of many things protruding from the wall. So this is how I prefer. And then again, I have popped it up with some lights. For the ceiling, I have purposely not gone for any false ceiling. It was like I wanted them to keep it just basic plain. So we have got again for Philips sensor light. Now as we move here gradually, so this is the wet area, and it is one tile down. This is my shower panel. So here we have gone for a diverter with the three-way diverter. So there are three floors here, and then there's a thermostat just to maintain the temperature of the hot water. We have a provision of hand shower, and this is a ceiling shower again by Kohler. So if you focus on the wall, here on the wall, as I have specified that I wanted a rhombus shape, so the same similar continuity in the bathroom it flows like from the wash basin area you have a cut over there, then again this is the plain area for the WC, and then for the shower area again I've matched the similar cuts. So we have used a brown grout over here, so the grout is again went off, and just to give a good feel, this is how the balance was achieved. Now here on my left there was a provision of there was a scope where I was able to give them good niches. So this again are all the niches for the storages, all the toiletries, your body wash, your shampoos and everything can be just placed here, so it is not coming out of the wall, so the bathroom doesn't look too much stuffy. It looks very clean, neat and open. So this is how this wall has been given with the provision of niche. Here I was blessed to have this is a first floor flat, and there were a few extra spaces in the flat. So they wanted a washing machine here itself. So that is how this is a place for the washing machine. Here to my right and left there are few pipes, and we have gone for the arrangement in such a manner that in future if the society is wanting to get any pipes changed or any case of any wear and tear or maintenance, just with the help of this tool, the entire assembly gets opened up, and then the plumber can definitely access it. Definitely, washing machine will come down, and then this area will become functional. For the window, we have gone for dormer sections. For the exhaust, it is anti-pop, and for the geyser, I have used Rackall 6.5 kilowatt geyser because the size of the shower was not too big. So 6.5 kilowatt was 7.5 kV was sufficient. So I've got a 7.5 kV Rackall geyser. And this is it for this bathroom. I hope you enjoyed, knowing the details and how we have done here in this bathroom. So thank you so much.